is for elephant with big ears and a long trunk. What a wonderful friend. F is for flamingo standing tall and balancing on one leg. Look at those feathers. G is for giraffe, with a long neck reaching high into the trees. H is for hippo, big and round, cooling off in the water. I is for iguana, soaking up the sun and blending in with the leaves. J is for jaguar, sneaking through the jungle with spots that help it hide. K is for kangaroo, bouncing high and carrying a baby in its pouch. Wooing!